Today I'm testing the new top model Seedance 2.5 inside OpenArt, which is the sponsor of this video. Seedance 2.5 is not designed for simple shots. It can generate complete cinematic sequences up to 30 seconds with multiple connected scenes, dialogues, audio, sound effects and background music. I'll put it to the test with cinematic storytelling, fast-paced action and complete commercials. Let's go in. So first you go on openart.ai here with an overview about the tool. As you can read, where ideas become visual stories. Just hit start creating now. So after signing up, you come to this dashboard here in OpenArt where you have all features available. As you already can see, you have Seedance 2.5 update, 30 seconds videos, frame level editing and highest detail. Let's look at it. First we look at the image feature here. As you can see, you have the top models available like Nana Banana 2 or Dream 5.0 Pro. Let's use it. We have a prompt of a stylish 3D animated kitchen from the perspective of a tiny chef standing in a huge kitchen. We can add visual references to further improve our prompts or our results, but we are fine here. You can optimize the prompt here. You have the output with different ratios and up to 2K resolution. You can generate multiple images at once. Let's use one image now and hit generate. And here is the result, and as you can see, it's just astonishing. Exactly what we wanted, a 3D animated kitchen with a tiny chef here. Cinematic quality, could be right off the cinemas. We can further optimize the image by upscaling, create different variations from it, change the camera angle, recreate it or edit this image. But we are fine now, we just hit video reference. So here we are in the video feature. We have a start frame, our picture from before. We hit model Seedance 2.5 here. You have also other top models available like Minimax H3, Kling 3.0 and more. Now we have a prompt that the tiny chef should cook in the kitchen with multi-shots, all in one seamless clip. On the bottom you can activate the audio and you have an output up to 30 seconds. We just hit generate and here is the result. We have everything here. Multi-shot scene, cinematic quality, no deformation, storytelling at its finest. With Seedance 2.5, it's easier than never before. You can also create energetic cinematic videos here. Multi-shot scene of a mountain biking sequence in the Austrian Alps. Let's look at it. Amazing. The quality is just insane. The character consistency is on point on each shot. Just with a single prompt we can create stunning videos like this. Amazing. Now we want to create a custom character which will be used in a further video production. Just hit the character feature here. You can create a character just by start from an image, describe your character or build your character. We have an image, so we hit this. We already did this with this red hair woman in different poses here. The same for this character here, an action man. Now we use the text with reference feature. Just add your characters here, our action man and our red hair woman. Now we have a prompt of a realistic morning sequence following two friends, the man and the woman, walking through New York City. You can reference your characters or your objects here just with add, and then you have your references here. We already did that with the man and the woman. We just hit generate and here is the result and it's just astonishing. Look at this.
So what's the plan today?
Breakfast first. Everything else can wait.
That's not a plan.
Now it is.
Our two characters perfectly placed in each scene here. Natural lip sync, dialogues. Now our two characters in another clip here. International airport. Emotional reunion. Let's look at it.
3 10 papers are to successful taking.
Hey. You took long enough.
I missed you too.
Wonderful sequence here, multi-shot scene, character consistency, natural lip sync, it's all there, easy as that. But OpenArt with Seedance 2.5 can do more, like ad commercials. We have generated this one with Dream 5.0 Pro, a luxury skincare campaign. With Velora, we take this as the start image and produced a full commercial here. Let's look at it. Nice and easy. But with Seedance 2.5 you can not only generate videos, you can also edit videos. Like this one here, we have this original video.
Yeah, I'm on the metro now. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Just wait for me outside, okay?
We have this blonde hair woman talking on a smartphone in a metro. Now we want to change the hair color to black. Only this, nothing else. And here is the result.
Yeah, I'm on the metro now. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Just wait for me outside, okay?
As you can see, the perfect editing tool, easy as that. Change everything you want without generating the whole video again. If you liked Seedance 2.5 inside OpenArt, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.